Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I literally just like woke up and wanted to try a cream blush, which was interesting because historically I have not liked cream blushes just because, oh, cuckoo. Just because I can never get them to blend into my skin the way I want them to blend. They always just tended to look like two pops of Raggedy Ann color on the apples of my cheeks. And so I was walking through the aisles of Ulta and I saw that CoverGirl came out with their new Clean Fresh Cream Blush, and I grabbed it and I was so excited just because I've been wanting to try CoverGirl products now that they are cruelty free. So I've been trying out this blush for a couple weeks, so I'm gonna walk you through a full review that includes application. I'm gonna show you some tricks, how I found it best applies, and then I'm also gonna do an all-day wear test, in addition to showing you what this blush looks like in different lighting. Okay guys, so this is vegan and it's formulated without talc, parabens, formaldehyde, mineral oil, sulfates, or fragrance. And they say that the formula is infused with hyaluronic acid that they say hydrates and plumps up the cheeks for a fresh, dewy glow. Comes in a number of different colors, but I got the color Flushed, which is this gorgeous coral. Look at that pigment! Now, what I found works best for me in terms of application is I like to get my foundation done, I do my eye makeup, I get all my concealer on, and then I let that settle down before I add this blush to the mix. And again, you literally have to use the tiniest amount. So what I do is I just basically break that amount in half by patting it on my opposite finger, and then I'm gonna go right into the apples of the cheeks and just pat in a circular motion. And I'm depositing most of the pigment on my apples and then just kind of like diffusing it as I roll up the top of my cheekbones towards my hairline. And then guys, immediately I'm going in with a dampened beauty sponge, and again, just like shearing it out by tapping, blending like crazy. And what I wanna do is basically diffuse any harsh lines. I want this to look like just a fresh pop of color on the cheeks. And I found that that dampened beauty blender is the best way to achieve that look. So showing you again on the other side, same thing, just circular patting motion on the apples, and then the residuals of the pigment I'm pulling up towards my hairline on the upper part of my cheekbone. And once more, I'm immediately making a beeline for that dampened beauty sponge just so I can shear it out. I really want it blended, and my main concern is just not to have any harsh lines that you can see from this blush. And it just gives the most beautiful flush to the cheeks. Now I have it on my cheeks right now, and I literally, what time is it? Okay, I've had this blush on for 10 hours. It has not budged, it is not broken down, like it just looks absolutely amazing. It gives you this beautiful, like lit from within, flushed look. Now, one thing too to keep in mind is I do not have any highlighter on my face at all. And that gorgeous sheen you're seeing, that is from this blush. Okay, to give you a closer look, this is what that gorgeous sheen looks like in natural lighting. I'm standing right in front of the window, and then to show you what it looks like underneath the bathroom lights, like just look at that illumination and shine. Oh, you guys, I'm telling you, it's so good. My base, like my foundation, is the new skin tint from Ilia. In fact, I'll link that video up above. I just did a full review on it. This blush has not only held up all day, it also held up when I walked down to get our mail. I literally have to walk a mile to access our mailboxes. And I managed to go uphill both ways, and it was a blazing sun today, and this stuff just like literally stayed on my face. The other thing too that's really nice about it is that it is buildable. So if you're looking to give yourself a little bit more color than I like to give myself, this pigment, you can totally just like layer it on, you know, in those light layers to kind of build it up and give you the exact type of flush and color that you want to have. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. So I filmed this the other day. It was around noon, again, standing in front of the window, so it's natural light, but I added more pigment to my cheeks just to show you guys like how beautifully you can build this product to give yourself a flush that matches the exact look you're after. Now, one thing I want to remind you guys, if you're just frustrated in general with how makeup products are sitting on your face, remember that you've got to have a great base to put those products on, and that means getting your skin in really good condition. I literally had terrible cystic acne as an adult in my 20s and 30s. And a couple years ago, I found an amazing line of products that literally changed the game for me. I'm 42, I'm about to turn 43, and my skin has never looked better. I'll also link that video up above so you can take a look. But again, like if you're just looking for a cream blush that like, just gives you that beautiful, healthy glow, then definitely you've got to check out this one. So guys, that is it for my review of the Clean Fresh Cream Blush from CoverGirl. I'm dying to know in the comments down below, if you are a cream blush girl, like how does this compare to other cream blushes if you've tried this one? Like I said, this is really one of the only ones I've tried recently, and I'm so impressed by it. I love it. But in any event, thank you guys for sharing your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!